Hello, my wonderful viewers. I welcome you once again to our mathematics class. And today we shall be looking at sequence and series. What is sequence? Sequence is defined as the arrangement of numbers in a particular order. On the other hand, series is defined as the sum of elements of a sequence. Alright, let us write it down for easy assimilation. Sequence is defined as the arrangement of numbers in a particular order. On the other hand, series is defined as the sum of elements of a sequence. So, sequence is defined as the arrangement of numbers in a particular order. On the other hand, series is defined as the sum of elements of a sequence. So, this is what we have for you today. Alright, as we progress, you are going to get some certain things into cognizance. For instance, let us consider some set of numbers. Let us consider some set of numbers. Alright? Let us consider this set of numbers. 5, okay, 9, 13, 17, 21, Okay, let us also get another one again. We have 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, Alright, these are set of numbers. And if we look at this set of numbers, each member of this set of numbers is referred to as a term. And these 3 dots here symbolizing that this number continues indefinitely. Alright, having noted down this set of numbers, you can see that there is one unique thing about this set of numbers that I have listed. Alright, this set of numbers have a particular way of words arrangement. Like for this first one, I have 5 plus 4 will give me 9. Okay? 9 plus 4 gives 13. 13 plus 4 gives 17. 17 plus 4 gives 21. And so many other numbers that follow suit. Now, if you watch this, you will see the particular order that suits it. 3 times 3 is what? 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. 81 times 3 will give us 243. So, for this one that involves addition, any sequence that involves addition and subtraction to get the common difference, okay, that is referred to as a linear sequence or arithmetic progression. But for this one that involves multiplication or division, we have what is called what? Common ratio. This one is one we refer to as exponential sequence. But because if we are to write this, it will be what? The first one is 3 raised to the power 1. That will give us what? 3. The second one is 3 raised to the power 2. That will give us 9. This one will be 3 raised to the power 3. That will be 27. 3 raised to the power 4. That will be 81. You can see that they are exponents. So this type is referred to as what? a particular sequence known as exponential sequence. But for this one that have continuous addition, like we say 5 plus 4 to give us what? 9. 9 plus 4 to give us what? 9 plus 4 to give us 13. 13 plus 4 to give us 17. 17 plus 4 to give us 21. All this is what? Linear sequence. Okay? Linear sequence or arithmetic progression. Or what? Arithmetic progression, AP. Okay. So this is, then all this one is what? Exponential sequence. Exponential sequence. Okay? So this is exponential sequence. Having gotten this far, there is what we are going to also check. Okay? We are going to get the nth term of a sequence. But before that, let's look at nth term of a linear sequence. Nth term of a linear sequence. That's what I want us to look at. The nth term of a linear sequence. Okay, let's get the nth term of a linear sequence. Remember, we have the two types of sequence, the exponential sequence and the linear sequence. The nth term of linear sequence. The nth term of linear sequence is what we have next. So let us get nth term of a linear sequence. Alright. So how do we go about this nth term of a linear sequence? Alright, let the linear sequence have first term A and the common difference D. Let the linear sequence have first term A. Let the linear sequence have what? Have first term. Let the first term be what? Equal to A, and common difference, and let the common difference equal to what? D. Okay, so if we have a sequence that goes thus, T1 is equal to what? A, having only first term. Then T2, what will T2 be? T2 is going to be A plus D. Alright? But let us see how this is generated. T2 will be gotten from what? The common difference. And our common difference D is what? T2 minus what? T1. So if we want to get T2, we make T2 the subject, which will now be T2 equal to, you move this to this side, you have what? You have T1 plus D. And that T1 as well here is what? A plus what? D. So that's why I said that T2 is equal to what? A plus D. Okay. What of T3? We have the third term. What this means is third term. Third term will be A plus 2D. Okay? Then T4 will give us A plus 3D, and so on and so forth. Now, we have not even arrived at the nth term yet. Let's check T5. T5, that is the fifth term, will be A plus 4D. Then Tn, which is the nth term we are looking for, will give us A plus n minus 1 in bracket D. So this is what we are going to be using to get our nth term of a linear sequence. This formula is what we'll be using to get the nth term of a linear sequence. I hope it's clear to everybody. Alright. Having known that the formula we are going to be using to get the nth term of a linear sequence, I have some problems for us here to solve. And question number 1 says find the 40th term of the linear sequence 6, 11, 16, 21, dot 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 means that it continues indefinitely. So you can see that our first term is A, our second term is what? A plus D. That is the common difference. The third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D, fifth term is A plus 4D, sixth term is what? A plus 5D. 7th term is A plus 6D. That is how you keep on arranging them, but it will keep on consuming time. Alright, let us solve that question over there. I will raise this part to solve the question. Remember that I said sequence that involve addition and subtraction, we refer to them as linear sequence. Another name for it is arithmetic progression. Okay, so we have the nth term of what? Linear sequence. Then that question is revolving under linear sequence. So we have question 1 to solve, and it says find the 40th term of the linear sequence 6, 11. Okay, the sequence is what? 6, 11, 16, and 21. Continuous indefinitely. From this sequence, my A is equal to 6. Okay, remember that this is T1, that is first term, then T2, T3. Alright, how do we get the common difference? Common difference is gotten from T2 minus T1. Our T2 is 11. Okay, minus T1 is 6. 11 minus 6, 5. So, common difference is what? 5. So we are putting the first term and the common difference. Good. So now that we have gotten the first term and the common difference, let us find the 40th term of the linear sequence. It's not about that you are going to use T2 minus T1 to get the common difference. You can also use the T4, which is 21. You can say that the common difference is T4 minus T3. It will still give you the same value. And our T4 is 21 minus 16. So the common difference is still what? 5. Good. So there are various ways of getting the common difference. So but these are the parameters that I need to solve that question number 1. Which says find the 40th term of the linear sequence 6, 11, 16, 21. So T40 will be A plus, using our nth term, n minus, okay, n minus 1d. Alright, because we are using T40, we know our A is 6 plus n is now 40, 40 minus 1, okay, d is 5. Alright, so we have 6 plus 40 minus 1 will give me 39 multiplied by 5. So T40 will be 6 plus 5 times 9 is what? 45. So write 5 carry for 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 4. I have 195. 6 plus, so T40, which is the 40th term, that's what we are asked to get. T40 will now be, our T40 will now be 201. So this becomes our answer. So the 40th term of this sequence 6, 11, 16, 21, the 40th term is now 201. So question number 1 solved. Then I will erase this part to answer question 2. Okay, question 2 says the fourth term of arithmetic progression is 15. Okay, the fourth term of arithmetic progression is 15. So we'll start. Alright, and the 9th term is 35. Find the 15th term. Okay, from this question, the fourth term is T4. So let's say question number 2. The fourth term is what? T4. And the formula for it from the nth term is A plus. Okay? If you are getting nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Now, if we have T4, and they say that T4, we don't have the value of A, so we write our A down, plus n is also 4 minus 1, okay, times what? We don't know the value of d, equal to, they say that this t4 is equal to 15. So you equate it to what? 15. Alright, from this nth term again, let us get the 9th term. So the t9 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1d. And the value for t9 is 35. So we place 35 here. Now, we don't know the value of a and b. And there is no how we're going to solve this. So let us take these two now and then solve. We have a plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 times this give me 3d equal to what? 15. And the second one, let me call this equation 1. Okay? Then this will be a plus 9 minus this will give me 8d equal to 35. I will call this equation 2. I will subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Let me subtract equation 2 from equation 1 and see what is left for us there. So when I subtract that, see what I'm going to get. A minus a becomes what? 0. So 3 minus 8 will give me minus 5d equal to 15 minus this will give me minus 20. Okay? After subtraction, I have this. Alright. Let me write it out. Minus 5d equals to what? Minus 20. Minus cancels minus. D is equal to 20 divided by 5. So d is equal to 5 here, 1, 5 in 20, 4. So the common difference is 4. We have gotten our common difference. Alright, to get the value of our first term, so to get the value of the first term a. To get the value of first term a, comma, substitute d equal to 4 in equation 1. Where is our equation 1? Our equation 1 is a plus 3d equal to what? 15. So any place we see d, we replace it with 4. So this becomes a plus 3 times 4 is 12 equal to 15. Okay, so let's erase this part and complete our task. Let's erase this part and complete our task. Alright, so this becomes a plus 3 times 4 is 12 equal to 15. Alright, subtract 12 from both sides. Subtract 12 from both sides. So this will be a plus 12 minus 12 equal to 15 minus 12. This cancels. A is equal to what? 15 minus 12 is 3. So the value of our first term is 3. So we have gotten our first term, we have gotten the common difference, and we are to look for the 15th term. So 15th term will be T15. Okay, T15 equal to a plus bracket open 15 minus 1d. Okay, and we know our a, we know our d. So T15 from the NSM formula, that's what where I got this from. So a will be 3 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 times common difference is 4. Alright, T15, which is what the 15th term, we have a 3 plus 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 15. So 4 times 4 is 16, right? 6 carry 1. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Alright, 3 plus 56. So our T15, the 15th term, we now have 3 plus 56 to give us 59. So the value of our 15th term is 59. My wonderful viewers, this marks the end of our class today. Okay, if today is your first day of coming across my video, do me a favor, click that subscribe button. Okay, share this video, let it go viral. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.